Hi, I'm Marscella and I'll be reading a book entitled The Village Leader, written by Alyson Curro and illustrated by Nan Hom Noon. Let us begin. The Village Leader. Dilkani daydreamed about opening big grocery stores. She imagined many aisles with many shelves, filled with every food, drink, and sweet she had ever heard of. This was her dream, because after years of conflict, there was not much of anything in her Kaya village, including food. Sunny never opened a grocery store, but she did find other ways to support her village. She spent many years helping women and children and resolving family arguments. Then one day, it was time to elect a new leader of the village. To Thani's surprise, the entire village wanted her to be its leader. At first, Thani said no. She had 6 children in school, and being the leader did not pay much. But the village insisted. They trusted her. Thani felt it was her duty. So at age 55, she became her village's leader. Thani does two big things in her job. First, she listens to her village's problems and she finds a way to fix them. Second, she represents her village in important meetings with the government. She tells the government her village needs better roads, market, and public spaces for young people. Thani is the only female village leader in all of Kaya State. In fact, she is one of the very few Myanmar women serving as village and ward leaders. The good news is that more and more women are getting involved and are showing that they, too, can be great leaders. This is not a man's job. A woman can do this job just as well. Thani often says, I am proof. Reading is important for it expands your vocabulary and improves your imaginations and curiosity skill that is useful for our growth and learning ability. Reading will be able to help us to understand others' perspective and stand in their shoes too. And nonetheless, I hope this stories inspires you to bravely stand up for a change. Girls can do it too.